Good morning. Today's maintenance how-to is the coffee machine in the community room. Currently this is available from 7:30 to 4:30, Monday through Friday. What you do is you hit the touch screen again, pick one of your coffee flavors. There are multiple coffees and tea. Now that my handle, I can't rip it open. So you pick your choice of coffee. This will do coffee, mocha, hot chocolate, tea. Your pod goes in here. On this screen, you have the ability to make it either a bolder coffee or a larger cup of coffee. We have coffee cups down here. If you're more comfortable bringing your own, you can put your coffee cup in here. Bigger cups, you can pull this little tray out and put your coffee in there. Once you're picked your coffee, picked your size, picked your strength, you hit brew, and that will run for approximately a minute and a half. Maybe a little bit less. As it finishes up, if you wait until the last screen shows, it'll say enjoy your beverage. Like that. That should stop any drips before you pull your cup out. There should be no drips after that. And there's your coffee. And then we also have cream, sweeteners, stirrers, napkins, and cup holders. Thank you.